Welcome back to Programming Learning with Hanky. Today we're going to cover conditional branching using the if statement in Python. So let's get started. The key idea here with conditional branching is changing the flow of the code based on whether something is true or false. Examples of true or false statements are 5 is greater than 3, that's true. X equals 5, x is greater than 3, that's true. When x equals 5, x equals 3, that's false. When x is equal to 5 and x is not equal to 2, that's true. Okay, let's get to it. So, first of all, start Python and follow the conditional examples on the screen. Type them in as they are and we'll have Python interpret them. So, if 1 is greater than 0, print hello. Obviously that's true, so it printed hello. If 2 is greater than 5, print hello. That's obviously not true, so since the statement is false, it doesn't print anything. Now set x to 5 and test is if x equals 5, print hello. Obviously x is equal to 5, so it prints hello. Now let's try the else statement. This tells Python what to do if the result of the if statement is false. So, if 0 is greater than 1, print yes, else print no. Obviously, 0 is not greater than 1, so it prints no. Set x equal to night. If x equals morning, then print good morning, else print good night. Obviously here, x is not equal to morning, so what do you think we're going to see? That's right, it executes the else statement and prints good night. Let's try this one, x equals 5. If x is greater than 0, print x, else print x. This one's a trick question, it's always going to print 5. How about this? Set x equals 5 and y equals 10. If x is greater than y, then print x is bigger than y, else print y is bigger than x. Obviously here, x is not greater than y, so it prints y is bigger than x. Let's try the elif statement now. This statement allows you to add multiple conditionals to an if statement. Each elif statement is checked for true or false, and if it's true, the code is run. Note here that the else statement catches the case when none of the if or elif statements are true. So let's try this one. X equals 5, y equals 5. If x is greater than y, then print x is bigger than y. Elif, if x equals y, print x and y are the same. Else, print y is bigger than x. And as you expect, they're the same. Here's another example. Age equals 12. If age is less than or equal to 11, price equals 10. Elif, age is less than or equal to 17, price equals 15. Else, price equals 20. Now print the price. Obviously the elif statement is correct here. Age is less than or equal to 17. So the price equals 15. Okay, we learned the if statement today, and the elif statement, and the else statement. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. Like, subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more content like this, and as always, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.